Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel today. Today we're going to talk about how to create an image using generative AI. Step 1, go to whatever AI app you like. Here I'm using Google's Gemini. Step 2, select the model you want to use in the drop down in the upper left. I'm going to pick the second model, which is the latest version. Then type in the following prompt. You are an expert at drafting prompts for images. Ask any question you feel are needed to improve the prompt. The prompt is expected to generate. For this example, I'm telling it to generate a prompt for a group of dogs in a classroom that is futuristic and they're being monitored. The point is, put whatever you want here and press enter. The prompt will then generate more questions for you to answer, or it will create an image if the prompt you gave it was detailed. If it asks questions, just answer the questions. I'm going to do that here, and then I'm going to resubmit, and voila, the picture is generated. If you don't like the picture, add more details, generate another prompt, and once you have the picture you like, download it like this. Click on the picture and then select Save Image As. Name your file and click Save.
No way.